So hello friends, welcome back to the new video. In this video guys, we are going to talk about how to disable smart split in Vivo phone. As you can see guys, I can use my two screen with Google with YouTube guys. So you want to disable this setting, so you can disable it. In this video guys, I will show you how to disable it. So before starting video friends, I want to tell you, if you're new in my channel and you are watching my video first time, so first of all go and subscribe my channel, click the bell icon and like my videos. So guys, now let's start video. First of all, open your phone setting. So guys, first of all guys, back. So guys, on your phone setting, guys click on shortcut and accessibility. Guys click on smart split. Guys click on enable screen split. Then guys touch here. Then guys smart screen will disable in your Vivo phone. So as you can see, when I will on YouTube, so guys it will not work. So I think friends, we have understood how to disable a screen split in Vivo phone. So that's it guys, thanks for watching my video. Now we will meet on next video with new topic. Before guys, please go and like and subscribe my channel. Bye.